Hello and welcome to Plansbykim. If you are new here, welcome and thanks for stopping by. Today we are going to be putting together kind of a nature spread today for my catch-all. This is the 23rd through the 29th, and this is in my classic vertical planner. And if you want to see what we're doing, keep watching. Okay, so in this spread, we're going to be bringing in, well, kind of a little bit of a lot actually to pull this one off. So I've got the Plansbykim Seasonal Fun. I haven't used her for a while, so I wanted to pull out her sticker book. And then the Black Quotes by Amber Plans Her Day. The Functionally Chic Green Blooms by Live Love Posh. The green boxes and more from Mojo Jojo Plans, and the brown boxes and more from Mojo Jojo Plans. All right, so let's just kind of dive in. This one might take a minute to put together. Also, I'm going to bring in maybe some of this buffalo plaid. I thought that would look really cute with that nature. So let's just see what we can do here. In the Green Blooms by Live Love Posh, there are some florals, these right here. I thought these were really pretty and that they would make a really nice spread with my other stickers. Thought those were really pretty. So I want to go with these. Now, let's see here. Oh, I'm debating on what I love this one right here. So I definitely want to use this. So why don't we just come over here on this side of the page and put this down. And I think I am real quick just going to try to take up the backing on here so that I don't struggle to take this off. Got that done. So I would love to bring this one in. It is so pretty. All right, so let's just make a little cluster over here. I'm going to use these stickers from Plansbykim. We've got some little cabins and some mountains and some trees and these really cute animals. I just thought they were adorable. So let's see here. How about, I love this cabin here. Okay, well, I'm going to put this up here. And I've got this right here. I'm going to see if I can bring in some of this washi tape I might tear this a little bit too in half. Don't necessarily want that thick of tape. Just put some of this down here. I'm gonna find some white sticker paper to put that on because I don't want to sit here and have to cut all of this out. Okay, and then I'm gonna bring in some, first of all, let me just get this on some white sticker paper. So I have this folder that says sticker paper scraps. There's a pocket in the front, and I just have all these little scraps left over from different projects that I have done in the past. And I'm just going to put this on here. And then cut this out. And the reason why I did this is because it's a see-through sticker, but so are all the stickers that I'm using on this page. And therefore, you're not going to be able to see them unless I start cutting different chunks out, and I really don't want to take the time to do that. So I would rather just put this on sticker paper that has a white background and call it good. Okay, I'm going to leave that out just in case I need to do another, because I want to put another scene over here. But I want to put some boxes in over here. So let's see here. I'm going to use this color green. Just have to find it throughout over here. And I think, let's go back here and look for that double box. Where are you at, double box? It's coming up. There we go. Thinking I could even maybe do something like this. Maybe not. I messed that up. Yeah, I like that better. Okay. And I'm just going to come in here and do this again with this little tree and put it on the other side of the house. I think that would make a cute little cluster. Okay, this one here we'll just have to bend back and take that piece off. And I'm going to lift this up. And I'm gonna go into Mojo Jojo brown boxes and grab this dark brown box. Let's see, I'll do this one here. Now, I'm gonna look for my quote. I did something with my quote. Oh no, I didn't even take it off the page yet. Oh, shoot, fire. Where did I find that? I was going to do the Believe You Can. May need to take this up off the page. To bring this one in. And I wanted to bring in this moose. I love this moose, y'all. He is just so majestic. And I wanted to bring him in down here. Yeah. And maybe I should put another little house over here. That might look good. If I was to bring this in over here, I do like that. Let's go back to these flowers. I'll put that there. Yeah, I love that there. That is so pretty. How about I just go in and cut a little bit of this off and stick this underneath this box. Okay. Not sure about this though. I like the mountains off in the distance, and that was supposed to be the whole gist of that. Maybe down a little bit. All right, let's see here. I don't have very many boxes down. think I'll put a brown box right there like I was going to do. Okay, got that. Now I need to bring some of that green floral in over here. So I'm going to bring in this corner piece. Just see how this will look. Got this one. Let me see what this one looks like with the lines in it. We're going to bring this green box in over here, I believe. Actually, maybe we should do it like so. I could put a quote up here. I think I'm going to bring in this quote that says, "Baby, it's cold outside." Yeah, I want this to go up here somewhere. All right. And then I think that's it of the quotes. So I'm going to put this book to the side. And I'm thinking maybe I bring these up a little higher. So I don't want to put these down on the page just yet. I'm going to play around with this. And then I want to do a couple boxes down here, one green, one brown. So why don't we do that? And then I believe I will be done with these as well. Okay, so I have a brown box here and a green box. This and this. Okay, so now I just want to bring in another little scene. Actually, I might bring my scene down here. So let me move these boxes. Up here. We'll figure those out here in a second. Okay, so let's bring some down here. And then let's bring in this house. And yes, I'm going to put this on the back of some other paper as well. And we'll cut this one out. Oops. There's a scrap of some floral. Ripped. Okay, that one's gonna stay down there because it has ripped my paper. I wanted this house to be in kind of like this little cluster or grove of trees. I just thought that would be so neat. So pretty. Okay. That is just going to stay there like that. Bring in some washi tape. Let me see if I can find this. Okay, I think I'm just gonna leave that there like so. Bring this one up here. I wanted to reverse those. Okay, so we'll have this one here, this one here. Take this and just cut this one. All right. How about if we bring some floral just underneath this one here? So, this is one that was intended to like go around a box. Let me try to de-stick some of that. So let me see what I can use. I think like that would be pretty. See if I can cut this to make it look halfway decent. Okay, there's that one, and then thinking about bringing this one in just to see what this would look like. Up here, I know that's going to cut into that 23. That's cute. Oh my gosh. I am loving this spread. Okay, we need some more animals. Okay, where's my tweezers? And I feel like I need a little bit of this down here, but I don't know. I've already got 2 on this page. I've only got 1 over here. So maybe this is kind of flipped up so it's not wanting to stay down. Actually, let's just cut it. Oh, so much easier just to cut it. Take it off. There we go. Yeah, I feel like I need another one of these washi tapes down here. So why don't we do that? Oops. Which is a knot. Okay, and I want to put at least 1 or 2 more animals over here on this side of the page before we call this one done. Like either this bear I love this bear. Oh, so pretty. And then for sure, like this deer, buck, looks like a buck with all those antlers. What is up with this? Can you guys hear the helicopter? It's like been flying around here, but it's so loud. I'm afraid y'all can hear it. I want this to come down here. He's almost too big. There we go. I'll just switch those guys around. So cute. Okay, now I want to bring in a box over here. Oh, I feel like this quote is too close to that quote. Darn it. Which is probably why I had stuck it up here first. Yeah, we'll just stick that there. And I'll move this little bear up a little bit. Okay, does she need anything? Oh, well, probably some headers would be nice. Problem is, I don't have room for any. I take this off. That baby, it's cold outside. It makes me want to start singing that song. Oh, and I do want to bring in this little squirrel. He is just too cute. Too cute. I'm gonna bring a box in over here for like gratitude. You know, you should always put some gratitude. It never hurts to put things down that we're thankful for, even if they're little bitty things. Nothing is stupid or insignificant when we're talking about being thankful for things, you know? So don't be afraid to put down things that you're thankful for every week in your planner. I try to incorporate that. And sometimes I don't get it in every week, but I do try to incorporate it because I think that is important, that we find things to be thankful and to be grateful for. Okay, so I'm going to bring in a black box over here. And did I say a black box? I mean a brown box. And I'm thinking about bringing it in over down here. And I know that's line, line, line. I think that'll be fine. And we're just going to go ahead and cover that up. I'm just gonna write gratitude right here. You guys hear Miss Marley. All right, guys, my camera stopped, as you can see, right when we pretty much got gratitude written in. And so honestly, what I did after that was to put in my squirrel along with this little box here, and we called it good after that. So we didn't miss out on too much. But I just want to say, if you enjoyed today's video, hit that like button. If you want to see more of my videos, consider subscribing and hit the notifications bell if you want to be notified whenever a new video does go up. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.